A body is released from a certain height. Let this be the body and this be the floor. Okay, this be the height, and it is observed that body is bounced off to a height greater than this. If this is h1 and this is h2, h2, it is observed that h2 is greater than h1. So, as h2 is greater than h1, mgh2 is greater than mgh1. So, body at this position has higher energy than it has at this position. So, what can happen is the surface to which the body is colliding may be providing it an excess energy. So, it may be providing it an excess energy mgh2 minus mgh1, which makes it bounce to a height h2. So, the floor must be providing it an excess energy of mgh2 minus mgh1.